Do you need a new part made and your current supplier just isn't meeting the standard? Or maybe it's a new project and you need access to all sorts of new ideas. Hi, I'm Hardy Spence with Ash Industries, and we're the molding experts, and we're coming to your neighborhood for a couple of days. And I would like to welcome you to join us at the Design-2-Part trade show in Marlborough, Massachusetts at the Royal Plaza Trade Center on September the 25th and 26th. Design-2-Part shows are fantastic with all sorts of capability in American manufacturing, and I'd love to talk to you about your new project or an existing project that you need help on, because we have the answers that are going to lower your part costs, improve delivery, or solve a complicated problem that you may have. Plastic molding, silicone injection molding, metal injection molding, and rotational molding. We know a lot about manufacturing, and we're looking forward to meeting you. We manufacture a wider variety of materials in a greater number of configurations than anybody in this part of the United States. This machine in particular is a large 600-ton machine. The beauty of it is that we have the option of shooting up to 250 square inches of thermoplastic in one shot. We are the expert in helping you determine not only the physical configuration of your part, but also the type of tooling you might need, the material you might need. Do you need a specific type of thermoplastic to withstand the rays of the sun? Or perhaps you're going to be using the part in a high heat environment, the chemical environment, joining with other parts. What other substances are going to be around the component? What will make this product absolutely successful? Every day we overmold, insert mold, two-shot mold. In fact, we can help you combine processes. We have a manufacturing group that is ideally suited to silicone. Well, we have a number of customers that overmold silicone on top of a thermoplastic component, or we have another manufacturing group that creates custom metal components in a Swiss lathe process. Furthermore, Ash Industries will pad print, hot stamp, screen print, epoxy bond, sonic weld, and combine any number of processes to give you an ideal component.